In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a NOT gate Falstad. We'll build a simple NOT gate circuit using the Falstad circuit simulator and get it running so you can see the inversion in action. Start by opening your browser and going to falstad.com. This site hosts an interactive electronics simulator that runs right in your browser, so there's nothing to install. On the homepage, click Circuit Simulator. The simulator will open in a new tab or window with a default example. To make things clear and uncluttered, open the File menu at the top and choose New Blank Circuit. This gives you a clean canvas so you can focus on just the components you need. Next, open the Draw menu. From here, choose Add Inverter. The inverter is the NOT gate. It's the triangular symbol with a small bubble at the tip that represents logical inversion. After selecting it, click on the canvas to place it. A good habit is to drop it near the center, leaving room on the left for an input and on the right for an output. As you place it, look for the little connection nodes on the symbol. Keeping things aligned now will make the circuit easier to read. Open the Draw menu again and select Add Logic Input. This component provides a digital source, typically a 0 or a 1. Click on the canvas to place it to the left of the inverter, roughly in line with the inverter's input node. If you position them so the connection points touch, Falstad will show a small wire or direct junction to indicate they're connected. If the preview shows a little segment, you're in good shape. Open the Draw menu once more and choose Add Logic Output. This serves as a digital indicator or probe for the signal. Place it to the right of the inverter, aligned with the inverter's output node. Again, aim to line things up so the output pin of the inverter meets the input of the logic output. Clean alignment helps you quickly verify your setup. With the components placed, it's time to see the NOT gate in action. Click Run at the top to start the simulation. You'll notice the simulator becomes active and signals are evaluated continuously. The NOT gate simply flips the logic level from the input to the output. If the input is low, the output will be high, and vice versa. Use the Run Stop button to pause and resume the simulation as needed. Pausing can be helpful to take a closer look at the circuit or adjust placement. That's it. You've created a NOT gate in Falstad, added a logic input and output, and run the simulation to observe inversion.